Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I've been getting a lot lately. Can I connect my Cash App to Rocket Money? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and understand why this question is so important. Both Cash App and Rocket Money are popular financial tools that offer different ways to manage your money. Cash App is primarily known for its peer-to-peer payments and investing features, while Rocket Money is a personal finance platform that helps you track your spending, identify savings opportunities, and even negotiate bills. So, if you're using both Cash App and Rocket Money, it might seem like a no-brainer to connect them. After all, having all your financial data in one place can make it easier to get a comprehensive view of your spending habits and make informed decisions about your money. But is it actually possible to connect Cash App and Rocket Money? And if so, how do you do it? Let's find out. The short answer. Unfortunately, as of now, there's no direct way to connect Cash App to Rocket Money. Both companies have their own unique systems and APIs, and they haven't integrated them yet. This means you can't automatically sync your Cash App transactions into Rocket Money. The long answer. While there's no direct integration, there are a few workarounds you can try. Manual entry. This is the most time-consuming option, but it's also the most reliable. You can manually enter your Cash App transactions into Rocket Money. This might seem tedious, but it can be a good way to get a complete picture of your finances. Third-party apps. There are some third-party apps that claim to be able to connect Cash App to Rocket Money. However, it's important to be cautious when using these apps, as they may not be secure or reliable. Make sure to do your research and read reviews before using any third-party app. Exporting data. You can export your Cash App transaction history as a CSV file and then import it into Rocket Money. This can be a bit more involved, but it's a good option if you're comfortable with data manipulation. Weighing the pros and cons. While connecting Cash App and Rocket Money would be convenient, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before deciding whether it's worth the effort. Pros. Simplified tracking. Having all your financial data in one place can make it easier to track your spending and identify areas where you can save money. Improved budgeting. By connecting Cash App to Rocket Money, you can get a better understanding of your income and expenses, which can help you create a more effective budget. Cons. Security risks. Using third-party apps to connect Cash App and Rocket Money can introduce security risks. Time-consuming. Manually entering transactions or exporting data can be time-consuming. Conclusion. So, can you connect Cash App to Rocket Money? Not directly, at least not yet. However, there are workarounds that you can try. Whether or not these workarounds are worth the effort depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple and straightforward way to track your Cash App transactions, you might want to consider using the manual entry method or exporting your data. However, if you're concerned about security or don't have the time to manually enter your transactions, you might want to wait for a direct integration between Cash App and Rocket Money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.